Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another episode of Vlogs and Talks. Well, title से आप लोग को मालूम पड़ ही गया होगा that today we are going to talk about menstrual cup. Well, it's high time we put that hush hush away and we start talking freely about menstrual hygiene, women hygiene, menstrual hygiene, whatever you call it. So I was using the sanitary napkins which we use. So I was using it for years now. So I wanted to give this menstrual cup a try, which was so much all over, like I was seeing it all over the internet. Before trying, I was a little skeptical because a foreign object will be getting inside our body. So I was a little scared कि करूँ या ना करूँ, try करूँ कि नहीं. But then I decided, I was like, no, I should try it. Then मैंने बहुत सारा रिसर्च किया तो फाइनली ऑन अमेज़ॉन में मुझे मिल गया फाइनली मेंस्ट्रुअल कप. वैसे तो बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स का है, यू कैन बाई एनी ब्रांड यू फील लाइक, जस्ट चेक द रिव्यूज़ एंड द थिंग. आई गॉट दिस वन. आई गॉट दिस सेफ कप which says it's like made in USA. It's basically an Indian company but it's made in USA. It retails for 1499 but मुझे मिला 899 में, which is like 900 rupees. तो मुझे उस रेट में मिला and it is like, after trying this I'm more than happy that I made the decision. Like I'm more than happy I switched to menstrual, I switched to cup. I'm more than happy for that, you know. I'll just show you how this does it looks like. It comes in a packaging like this. अलग अलग brands के अलग अलग packaging आते हैं, तो मेरा वाला ऐसा आया था and it comes with a pouch and there's a user manual kind of a thing. It's not actually a user manual, it's some, oops, it is, they have got their WhatsApp number and everything. So this is how the box looks like. You can use it to store it, and this is the pouch in which it comes. You need to open it and ta-da, this is here. This is how the cups look like. It's colorless and it's odorless and it is not too soft, not too hard, and it goes inside your body easily. It comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, large. This is medium size. Small is especially for teenage girls, and medium is for medium build women like me kind of, and for little heavy body and like people, those who have had like normal childbirth, they should go for large size. And that's it. Once you buy, you are sorted. And I'll just show you the inserting process. You need to like make a C like this. See, this is the way it will go, and you will make a C like this. Suppose this is how I'm going to show. This is the way you are going to enter it. Holding it here, you're going to enter it like this. You're going to enter it like this, and it will go like this, this, and it pops inside. And with the suction, it has got the suction thing and it will stay in its place and it will not come out. And once you want to like you need to change it twice a day on normal flow days. So what you're going to do is like hold this thing, pinch it here and just take it out like this. Just twist it and it will easily come out, okay, like this. And you just like, you need to wash it off and again you insert it the same way. Okay, before trying, always sterilize it very well. Then after every cycle, re-sterilize it again and just put it in this pouch and it goes back inside this. So it's very easy to like store. They have given everything, just put it inside this pouch. And if you're trying any other brand also, those also comes in pouch. So it's very easy to like store and keep, and it's very good. And the insertion process is like, whenever you're inserting it, relax, sit in squats position, relax your muscles and try it the way I said it. It's super duper easy once you go to it, and you're never gonna come back to pads. Okay, like why did I choose menstrual pads? Another question. See, I wanted to choose it because अभी तक हम लोगों ने जितना भी menstrual pad use किया है, it ends up in the landfill, and those are not biodegradable, first thing. And it gives you those rashes, irritation. You need to change it twice, many times a day, like 4-5 times a day during your heavy flow days. Normal days also you need to at least change it 4 times, and during heavy flow days at least 5 to 7 times, which is such a headache. And this thing, you just need to change it twice a day during normal flow days, and during your heavy flow days you need to change it maybe 3 to 4 times a day. More than, I guess that's more than enough. There's no leakage, no smell, no bad odor. You do your yoga, you do your exercise, you do your jogging, walking, gymming, anything, you won't feel मैं तो भूल भी जाती हूँ कि कभी कभी that I'm on my periods. So it's that comfortable and it's the best thing. No leakages there, nothing. Beautiful, amazing thing. I've even recommended it to my friends and family. They have used it and they're super happy about the product. And guys, there is like, you buy it and it goes on for the company says you can use it for 15 years. If not 15 years, I'll take it 10 years. Then also investing 300-400 rupees, or maybe this brand if I'm buying 900 rupees, is like totally worth it. Okay, it saves your money, it is good for your health, it is good for the environment, and it is good in every way you ask for it. Like, so guys, do not think twice. It is high time we take some conscious decision, because climate change is at its peak, and it would be better if we'll be a little you know, a little merciful towards our planet Earth, because this is our house. This is where we're gonna live. We cannot spoil it the way we have been doing since years. So guys, menstrual cup, switching to menstrual cup made my life very easy. Now I do my yoga, my exercise, gym. It has made my life way easier. There's no rashes, nothing. It's so comfortable, guys. Once you try it, you're never ever going to come back to sanitary pads. That's my guarantee. Make sure it is 100% medical grade silicone. Do check the that list which says it should be 100% medical grade silicone. You guys can clearly see the difference. One menstrual cup per cycle is equal to 22 tampons or 22 menstrual pads per cycle. So you guys can clearly make the difference, how much difference it makes for the environment, for your body, for everybody. It's that important. So guys, do consider switching to menstrual cup and it will change your life. So guys, if you guys really like the effort and if you guys really like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and there's a bell button right next to the subscribe button. Go and hit that too, because whenever I post a video you get notified. So guys, that's all for today's video. Love you all.